Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Yango app. You will go to settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Yango app and you will enter here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.